With pride, they represented the host country as champions. But unfortunately now, they have to bow out of the competition. Terima kasih, Onyx Indonesia, for that valiant effort.
Yes, guys, and now on the brighter note, the winner of our second elimination match of the day, Tennis Indoor Senayan. Give it up for Team Liquid! Boys, an amazing match. But to Carl Tizzy, many people thought that this matchup between you and Kyrie, as well as Onyx ID, would be in the grand finals, and unfortunately, it just had to be in the lower bracket. How did you feel when you learned about this matchup actually?
Nung una po, nagulat din po ako kasi talagang expected kami talaga sa finals. Pero ganun talaga, dami talaga nangyayari iba sa, sa stage na talaga. And masaya lang ako na nanalo kami.
He said at first he was also shocked because he did expect to meet Onyx ID in the grand finals. But that's tournament life. You don't know what could happen on stage, and when it happens, one just has to continue their journey.
The beauty and the despair of the tournament, right? The ups and downs of the tournament, but you still were able to push through. Now for OHEB, a lot of people are talking about, every single person is talking about the possibility of you guys completing your golden road. Now, the thing is, this time around, it will be a little bit more tricky, considering that you guys will have to do it from the lower brackets. Now, for OHEB in particular, you've been able to achieve this in M3. Do you think that you can do it here again?
Yung run sa lower bracket, sobrang nakakapagod talaga. And ayaw sana namin siyang maulit kasi araw-araw na laban, sobrang nakakapagod, lalo sa mental namin. Pero ang gusto talaga namin ma-pull off tong Golden Run at makuha yung M7. Wala na kaming pake kahit anong mangyari, kahit anong pagod, kahit anong sacrifice, bibigay na namin lahat para makuha lang namin to.
He said that as much as possible, he actually didn't want the lower bracket run to be the run that they will be having this M7 because it's very straining on a player having to play every single day in a back-to-back match. It's even more straining on the mental state because they have to go through so much. But he said he doesn't care whatever challenges comes his way. He just wants to pull off that golden road run. Wow, 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 wow. And of course, Carl, you were able to do it too back in the M2. Now, on your end, how confident are you that you will be able to do the same thing in M2 this time around in M7?
Siguro po ngayon yung nararamdaman ko, very confident kasi kakapanalo lang namin sa Onyx and alam kong sila yung isa sa pinakamalakas dito sa tournament kaya very confident talaga.
That is very confident, especially after the win up against Onyx. It